Good morning to all of you, my beautiful friends. Welcome back to the vlog and happy birthday if today's your birthday. It is a lovely Wednesday here, and I believe Wednesday for you too. We've just been lining up our days so well lately. It makes me so happy. It is going to have to be a pretty productive day here. My to-do list is quite tedious. I have overloaded myself, that is for sure. So we just need to buckle down, get some ish done. So that will be good. And then later tonight, I am seeing Kate and Vic. We're going to a little drive-in movie. We're going to see Clueless, which is going to be so fun. Fun little girls movie night. So should be a lot of fun. You get all comfy in a sunny spot? Oh, so sweet. Connor and I both woke up at like 5:30 this morning to go to the bathroom, and she then woke up because we were moving around and just came in and was like purring so loud and like all over me trying to like snuggle. So we snuggled for a little while, and then finally she like moved on and I was able to go back to sleep. But she is still just in a mom mood. I guess like that's really nothing that new, but it seems extra aggressive lately. Anyway, I need to start this day with editing a video to get ready for later this week, so I'm just gonna dive into that and get it out of the way and off of my plate. You guys, I just have to say that my vlog just went up today where I was asking you guys about the hair videos and if I should do some more dedicated hair videos, and I just need to say you guys have the best ideas, which is why I love running ideas past you before I try them, because you guys are always so much smarter and cooler than I am. So I want to run you through what the new deal is going to be just based off of these comments. Literally the vlog has been up for an hour and I'm like swimming with ideas. I'm so excited. What we're gonna do is we're going to be moving like the special video a week where like I do something other than just a normal vlog to Mondays, which was my original idea, and I guess I just forgot that until I was editing that video back, that it was gonna be Mondays and not Fridays. Anyway, we're gonna move it to Fridays, and you guys had the brilliant idea of not just necessarily making it hair videos, because as I said originally in that video, like how many new hair things can we try? Can we really try new things every single week? I'm not totally sure, but instead it's gonna be some sort of like self-care Monday situation, because typically in my Monday vlogs, I'm talking to you guys about goals, setting goals, looking forward to things. You guys know I love sharing like self-care, my hair stuff, workouts, yoga, all of that. And so all of that is going to be sort of like accumulated into a Monday video, and we'll switch it up every week. Like one week may just be hair focused. One week maybe we do a facial. One week we are going to do yoga, or we're going to talk about goal setting. And then of course, like some weeks it's going to be a combination of a ton of those things. So I love that idea. I hope that you guys love it too, because we're going to try it, because I just think that that is so much fun. I think that it's going to be just a really fun way to switch up my content. I've been looking for a new sort of way to create content medium for us to all be able to enjoy together, because I do feel like the vlogs do get somewhat repetitive. And so I absolutely love this. I think that's brilliant, and we're doing it. So thank you guys so much. You guys are brilliant. I am very, very, very excited about this idea. I hope that you guys are into it also. I'm just editing this first hair video that I'm working on right now, and there's going to be a little voiceover portion, and I have not gotten to use this mic for videos in so long. It's so crazy. This used to be like every single video, obviously, back in the day, but not anymore. But we're pulling it out for this. Should be fun. Lunchtime, we're having salads. Connor's making a tuna steak to go on our salad, which I'm very excited about.
You're going big on this one.
I know. Gotta love it. All right, salads are made. Looking so good. That tuna steak cooked perfectly. So excited for this.
I must say, this is a perfectly cooked tuna steak. You know I'm pretty hard on myself.
Courtesy of Connor. Editing Jill entering the scene here, because I'm realizing that I somehow am missing a clip before this next clip that you're about to see, but you didn't really miss anything. All I was saying was that I was going to try something new on my hair to try to like revive it on like third and fourth days when it's just looking a little bit frizzy and not as nice. And so we're just gonna hop into this clip and you guys will see what I'm talking about. This was just an old Rooted Rituals product that I finished, but I kept the bottle in case I needed it. So what I'm gonna do is fill that up with, actually what I wanna do is I'm gonna take some of my conditioner and squeeze that into this bottle. Got some good pumps in there. And now I'm gonna add water. And then I'm just gonna shake it up so that it all combines and makes my own sort of leave-in conditioner type of thing. Just sort of like this idea because I feel like I can really control, one, how much moisture is in there, and also that it is literally just like water and conditioner, aka like leave-in conditioner. Looking pretty good. And I'm just gonna spray that. Oh, this spray bottle is not. It's a very light mister. The idea is just to sort of soak through my hair and then like re-scrunch it up a little bit just to give it a little mid-week refresh. This side is looking pretty okay actually. These curls are just looking like so bland almost. Let me like brighten it up so I can show you what I mean. Like, oh my god. See how they're just looking like frizzy and like not ideal. What's going on, hair? Versus like some of these bottom ones are looking really nice. Maybe I should just like pull that up in this top part to hide it. That looks so much better. Like these bottom curls are just looking way nicer. Oh my god, look at this curl clump right here. Like it's straight up. So curly Q. Look at those. Bing, bing. I'm gonna leave it at that because I don't really care. I just wanted to do a quick little refresh on my hair, and I need to leave here in like 5-ish minutes, so I'm gonna call my Uber and head over to Vic's. So I've been trying to call an Uber or a Lyft for the last 30 minutes. I'm literally not exaggerating. I started at 5:44 and it's 6:14. And I have not been able to get one yet. Like, I'm actually so curious, like, what the fuck is going on with Uber and Lyft right now? For the last 3 months, it has been impossible to get a ride. And when you do get a ride, it's triple the price of what it used to be. Like, it's not even worth it anymore. I need to get a car again because this is such a waste of my time and money. I'm late everywhere that I go. It's just not reliable anymore. It's ridiculous. There's no other use for it other than, like, if you're going out drinking, in my opinion, at this point. It's so bad. Anyway, actually finally just got one right now, 30 minutes later. Let's see if this one sticks because I've gotten quite a few that I've canceled. Just trying to go to a movie and like it's gonna cost me $26 to go 10 minutes. Explain it to me. I'm actually very curious if other people in other cities are having this issue. If you use Uber, is this a problem for you? Because I know everyone in LA is having this issue right now. Very curious if this is just an LA thing now or what the deal is, but either way, it's time for me to get a car. Let's see, my ride will be here in 2 minutes. I'm wearing the biggest girl outfit. Let me show you. Like, what a look this is. Literally socks with sandals. But I just want to be comfy when we like get there. I want to be able to just kick my shoes off and be comfortable in the car. So here we are. Hey, for Jill?
Yes.
Great, thank you so much. I mean, like, how wholesome is Vic? She has a whole little setup for us, some liquid IVs, some water, gotta stay hydrated. Yeah, right? The most wholesome day of our lives. And we're also bringing these sweet tarts, which I always have like 3 of while I'm here. I'm just slowly making my way through this bag. Exactly, like there's so much candy and it's never touched. Every time I come here, it's exactly the way I left it.
There's also a lot of nerds down here.
Oh my god. Well, we'll have to crack into those. Some taco. Those are definitely from Christmas.
Yeah.
Like 3 years ago.
Yeah,
Oh. We stopped and got some Chick-fil-A and we made it to our little drive-in here. Look at how cute this setup is. So excited. We like tuned into a radio station or something to be able to hear the audio of this movie. So it's going to be a time. Got our French fries, have all of the beverages. They're bringing us concessions. I mean, spoiled.
all the food you could ever need.
Yeah, look at this little goodie pack here. What the heck is this? Ooh. Interesting. Some literature. Informational flyers. You have
Leave
a
us alone to stay cozy under the stars.
so
Is that an air freshener?
Yes, that probably smells like popcorn in case you want the entire car to smell like popcorn, which it already
I
will.
mean, now it's gonna smell like Chick-fil-A. Popcorn and sugar.
Playing cards, cute. Of course, some popcorn, M&M, and Skittles. Wow, we love. It's cute as heck.
It also like fits so
I know,
perfectly.
it's so sweet. We have our whole little setup here. We have a little place for our fries, our drinks, our snacks. I literally have my sandwich on the shelf of Vic's car. Meant to be. Made it home and we have the lovely sounds of Connor playing F1 in the background. Oh my god, look at Molly Cat. Molly! That was so cute! Go ahead, get back in the curtains. I'll play with you some more. Are you seeing it? Over here, Molly. Missy, what are you doing? We were playing in here. Come on, get up. Oh my god. She is in a extremely Ow, Molly, you're biting me so hard through the curtains. Stop it. Little cutie. Clueless was great though, very fun time, super fun going to a cute little drive-in, and they gave us so many yummy snacks. It was a really, really good time. And very happy to be back home now. We're gonna just get to relaxing.